Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are fine. Samsung is expected to organize a Galaxy Unpacked 2021 event on 11th August. During this event, Samsung will introduce its new foldables, the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, the Galaxy Buds 2, and perhaps also the Galaxy Tabs S8 tablet series. Samsung will release a limited edition model of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 in collaboration with New York fashion designer Thom Browne. Samsung will announce the new Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. A lot is already known about the expected foldable smartphones. Many details of both models have already appeared online, both in the form of technical specification and phone images. Samsung will also announce another model on which no information has yet appeared online. Last year, simultaneously, with the Galaxy Z Flip, a limited edition was announced designed in collaboration with American fashion brand Thom Browne. Due to enormous success, Samsung may have plans to launch a new limited edition of the expected clamshell phone. It is expected that a Galaxy Z Fold 3 Thom Browne edition will also be announced. The model, designed by Italian graphic designer Giuseppe, has a matte grey housing. The characteristic tricolor stripe also included in the renewed design. The red, white, blue stripe runs over the entire back of the camera system. The camera and the cover screen are covered by a black glass plate. Due to this design change, the tricolor stripe is also a little bit shorter this time. Of course, the Thom Browne logo is also included in the design. It is expected that Samsung will lower the price of the Galaxy Z Flip 3. The previous model was launched at 1500. Perhaps the new model will carry a suggested retail price of the approximately 1300. This might also have a positive effect on the retail price of the limited edition. As soon as the technical specs and official images appear, we will upload on this channel. So stay connected by subscribing this channel and pressing the bell icon to get the latest news.